Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of this video. If you have not already watched the first part, I will put the link into the description of this video. You can go ahead and start your video from there because this is continuation of the second part. So till now we have designed the KPIs, we have designed the pie chart and the frequency chart. And right now we have not added any filters yet because we will be doing it at the last. And here you can see whenever I'm clicking on this pie chart as well, the values of these KPIs are changing perfectly, but if you can see the values of this chart, that is age chart, is not changing properly because it is just highlighting, it is not filtering it out. So that all the things we will do once everything at last, once our all the dashboard is designed. Sometimes it is recommended to do that. Sometimes whenever you're working on big dashboards, large number of dashboard, it is not recommended. You will have to design the chart and you can check, we will have to check it with respect to the filters first, right? So now we will start the design of our next chart, is that is job satisfaction rating, which is a heat map, right? So now for heat map, what I will do, we have a matrix chart over here. I will click on this. I will go ahead and place it over here properly first. All right, so I will just increase the size and size here. Right now, so we have different placeholders to build this visual. So first we have rows, columns, and values. So for this rows, I will take the job rating. Sorry, the job role, I will put it into the rows, and I will put the job satisfaction into the column. So the job satisfaction is nothing but in that particular job role, they have taken a rating survey where in that particular job. So how many employees have given it the best rating? The four is the best and one is the lowest, and these two and three are the intermediate. So we will see how many employees have given the lowest and highest ratings. All right. So now what we will do, we will take the sum of employee count and we will put it into the values. All right. So we have got this matrix chart now. So we will quickly start to what we can say formatting of this. So I will change the title of this. I will on it and I will change it as job satisfaction rating. All right. I will put it into the center and I will change it to the font to semi bold, Sajio UI semi bold, and I will put the background color as this. All right. And also we will put the effects. We will put the background of this particular chart as this, which we will be using. We will put the transparency as 75% and we will add the visual border as well. Same border with 15 round corners. Okay, radius. All right. So now the basic has been done. Now we will change the fonts and font size of this particular roles. All right. So there are different style guides are there. Like if you don't want anything like any borders, we want minimal alternating rows. So there are different are there. I will keep it first on default. If you can choose anything which you want, and I will put it on default and I will change same different things. Okay. So I will put the horizontal grid lines here. I will put it with the dark color and I will keep its width as 2, like the space or the horizontal grid lines whatever we are using. I will also put the vertical grid lines. I will put the color again as dark and I will put it as right. So now I will close the grid line. I will close this style and I will values, I will be using the same as 10 with semi bold. All right. And the background color I will again be using the same which we'll be using for the background color of this, and the alternative background will be also the same. All right. And okay, we will keep it in black only, right? And we will change the column headers as well. The background of column headers will be this, and I will change it to semi bold 11, and I will make it the color of text as light gray. All right. Same we will do for rows. We will change it to semi bold, and the text color will be this, and the background color will be this. All right. So this has been done right now, guys. So what I will do, I will quickly increase this. Okay, so we will do that later. We will change the width of that later. Then next is what we don't want the rows subtotal. So I will just off this. We will be only focusing on the subtotals which are at column level. All right. So in values, we will go and we will change it to bold. Okay. So we will be seeing the totals in bold value, and we will change the background to this. Okay, the background is already there. Right. Now what we will do, we will go in cell elements. Okay, and we will be seeing the matrix in the heat map. Okay. So we will just on the background color. Okay, so the color has been given. So the light, what we can say, blue represents the lowest value, and diverging it is increasing, then with respect to that the background color will be becoming dark. So we will change some colors. Before I will be using my own colors, so you can use the middle color as well if you want. I will be not using the middle color, so I will, for lowest value I will be using the color, and I will be using my color code. You can use any color, so I will put it as F4 C3. Okay, so I will be using this color, and on highest value I will be using my own color code. It will be 3D 8207. All right, I will click on OK. So I will be using my this own colors. All right. So now quickly what we will do, we will have to change the font color of this text that is on headings. We'll take it as light gray. All right, I will go in visual again. And what we will do is we will increase the column width. You can do it manually from here. So we want to get rid of this vertical bar line, or we can say scroll bars. I will just increase the size by little bit. All right. Similarly, we will make it as this and this. All right. So our half of the dashboard is already completed. We can see more than 70% is completed. So our next chart is what we will be adding a bar chart over here. All right. So the next chart which we will be designing is for field wise attrition. So for that we will be using a bar chart. So in our build visual, I will select a bar chart, and we will have to put y-axis and x-axis over here. So on y-axis I will take education field, and I will put it on y-axis, and on x-axis what I have to see the attrition rate. Okay, not the attrition rate, attrition count. So you will be seeing the attrition count over here. So now we'll have to quickly change the format of this. So I will quickly do this. You already know the steps. Change the title as well. Change the text color, make it as center. Now we will change the visual as well. I will change the color of bars first. I will use my own color. So I will be using it as #8. The color code for me will be this. Alright, so this is my color code. Then I will on the data labels as well. So to see the data, if I'm owning the if I'm activating the data label, so I don't want the x-axis, right? All right, I don't want the title as well for x-axis, and for y-axis I will change this to semi-bold. I will change it to this. Similarly for title, I will change it to again semi-bold, and I will make it as yellow. All right, and for data labels, I will go ahead and change the color for this as well. Make it white. Okay, so I will just quickly change the position of this. I will just the width I will be taking it as 345, and the height will be 235 is enough. I will make it as 250. All right, this is fine. Okay, so this is what we have designed our bar chart. So our next and last part of our design is designing of a donut chart. So we will be designing each and every donut chart for each and every age group, and with that age group we will see how many percentage of attrition is happening. Okay, so now we will go ahead and start designing. So we will use a donut chart over here. I will just place it over here. Okay, this is fine. I will reduce the size because we are going to place 5 donut charts here, and I will just reduce it from over top up to here. Okay. So why I'm doing this is because we will have to add a title over here, which will be a text box, right? So we are not having each and every title for each and every donut chart. So we will be using one single title that will be a text box. All right. So now I will start design. So for this donut chart, we will be using a legend over here. So for that, we will be using a gender. Values is nothing but we will be seeing the attrition count over here, and we want to distribute, or we want to see for each and every age band. So I will put it into the details. All right. So you can see the donut chart is very much messy over here. So we will quickly change the title of this first. So I will go in general, and I will change the title as under 25. Okay, so this I will be using it for under 25, and I will just place it over center. So I will tell you how why we're using this under 25. All right, so I will just hide this first, and I will open the filter panels. Okay, so now what we have to do over here is we'll select the donut chart, and you can see the filter panel is activated. So I want to see it for first under 25. So I will go in the donut chart, and I will see it for only under 25. Sorry, not this, under 25. So we will be only getting the chart for under 25 employee band, and we can see the attrition of that particular age band as well. All right. And now what we don't want the legends over here. All right. So now we can see our the bar chart is quite good. So the rotation, we will change the rotation to 50 degrees, not 50. We will change it to 30. All right. So I am changing because you can see the data labels are perfectly visible. They are not getting merged into the pie chart, or we can say this particular slice. All right. Now we will add over the title as well of our this thing. So I will just place the title over here. I will make it a little bit smaller, and I will aligning this here, and I will extend it to end. All right. So we will go into title, and I will on it, and our title it will be attrition. Spelling attrition, always I'm doing it wrong. Attrition rate by gender for different age groups. Okay, so I will make it as 12. I will make it as center. I will use the background color, the dark one, and I will just reduce the size. Okay, and we will change the font color as well. All right, so this is our title. So I will just increase this as well a little bit. So this is fine. Okay. So now what we have to do, we need 5 donut charts here. So how will you place the 5 donut charts perfectly over here? So what we will do, we will select this text box. Okay, it is extending from here to at the end of this particular canvas. So I will go in properties, and you can see it is the width is what, 896. So what we will do, we will divide the 896 divided by 5. So it is almost something 179. Okay. So we will keep the width of each and every pie chart as 179. So I will go in general, and I will keep the width as 179. All right. So now what I will do, quickly I will copy all these pie charts in file. Okay. So I will copy this, and we will make 5 charts quickly. Okay. So this is first, second, then fourth, and last one. Okay. All right. So these are our 5 charts. Now what we will do, first is for under 25. Second, we will quickly change it to it is for 25 to 34. This is for quickly change the filters. It is for 35. Then this is for 45, and this is for over 55. See, This things, if we are using other than pie chart, if any other chart we are using, this is very much easy to do, because we have one option in Power BI, that is small multiples. So whenever we are placing our that edge band into small multiples, it will automatically give us the five different charts. But this option is not available in Power BI for donut charts. It can be done for donut charts, but we have to do some extra work in that. Then we can convert it. Some extra calculations are required. But if you are using a bar chart, it can be easily done, right? So for now, for as a beginner, we can use this method as well. Okay. So this is not that much professional, but for as a beginner, you can use it. All right. So now what I can do, I will quickly format this. So I will select all the pie charts. Okay. Instead of doing one by one, select all the pie chart at once, then go into this particular thing, and we can change the first slices color as. I will first change the effect. I will change the background color first, and I will change its transparency to 75. All right. Then we can add the visual border as well, and we can make it as 50. Okay. Then we can change the data label as well, and the value we can choose it as semi bold, and we will make it as white. All right. Similarly, for background title, we will use the text color as yellow, and background we will be using as right. So we again we will select all these. Oh, so what we will do, we will be not using the border over here. So I will just off the border again. We'll go into generals, and I will off this. Okay, we are not going to use borders because it will be looking very much funky over here. It will not match to our visualization layout. All right. Then we will change the colors of our slices. So for female, I will be using my own code. So it is something like hash E68F96. Okay. And for male, I will be using it as custom hash 0991E0. Okay. So this is my male and female colors. All right. So now what we will do, we will quickly change the rotation of these wherever we can see that the values are getting merged or they are not showing properly. We will change the rotation of that those particular we can say pie charts. So I will make it as 50. Okay, not 50. We will make it as 80. Right, this is fine. Or I will try to increase it 90. All right, this is fine. Then for this, I will make it as 70. All right, for this, I will again make it as 50. Okay, this is fine. 90 is not good. Then 90, or we can choose it as 120. All right. So this is fine. So we can see all the legends and all the labels, or not legends, the data labels. All right. So now we will quickly change. This is for the different age band, that is 25 to 34. So I will change each and every title. So this is for 25. So I've changed the title of each and every donut charts with respect to the age band which we have. You can do the same. The next thing what we have to do is we have to add a card over here indicating an KPI that for that particular age group, what will be the total number of attrition. So we will be following the same procedure as we did for these donut charts. First, we will create first card. We will apply all the formattings, all the filtering, and then we will just copy and paste those, right? So it will reduce our work. So from here, I will take a card, will reduce the size somewhat. And what I will do, I will take the attrition and put it into the fields. And we want to visualize it with respect to the age band. So what we will do, as we done for the donut charts, we will take a age band and I will put it into filter for this visual, and I will choose it for under 25. All right. So I will quickly change the formatting for this. I will off the category label. We don't want it. Then we will go in properties. I will change the effects. We will take our background which we have, and I will make it as 75%. We will be not using any visual border here. And in visual, in callout value, I will reduce it to 20, and it will be Sergio bold. All right, and I will use the color as the same which we use, that is yellow. All right, so I will just reduce this and I will fit it into this. All right. Okay, guys. So now what we will do, I will just copy this, Control C, Control V, and I will put it into each visual. So now quickly what we will do, we will change the filter of each and everything. So I will just change this to 25. So I will just increase this size. You can adjust this for the same. This is 35 to 44, as well as this is for 45 to 44, 54, sorry, and this is for above 455. All right. So we have placed the KPIs as well inside this. So now what I will quickly do, I will change the border or the sheet title size of each and every charts immediately. So I will just reduce it, and I will go in this, I will go in general, in title, I will make it as 12. All right, for the same, I will make it as 12. For this, make it as 12. Similarly for this, 12. All right, perfect. So now this looks like something perfectly aligned and everything is, in one format and one font already. So now what next we have to do is we will have to give our name of our dashboard. So I will add a text box from here. We'll place it over here first. Just reduce the size. Right, and then we will go in the title. I will on it and I will type it as HR Analytics Dashboard. All right. Okay, so we will apply quick formattings. I will increase the font. All right, this looks good. We'll bold it, and we can change the background color. Right in the center. We will also change the text color, and I will make it as white. All right. So this is what we have done. And the next thing what we have to do is, or we can change this color to something darker. 1 second. So I will first find the color of this. So see, if you're not finding the color of that particular thing, you can find it from here. So we have given the color for this particular title. So I will go in title. This was the background color, and I will just click on color. Right. So now you can see it has came here. So I will go again back to my dashboard and I will change the background. All right. So now this looks good. So now next thing what we have to do is I will add a slicer over here. All right. So to add a slicer, we have an option in our build visual, that is this. So I will take a slicer and I will add a slicer for education. All right. So we will take a education and put it over here. So I will format the slicer as well quickly. So I will go in format, slicer settings. I will make it as horizontal, and We'll just off the slicer header, put it over here. Please increase the size. All right, we will go in general effects. We will add a background color for this as well. In visual, again, for values, the font will be, we will make it again the Sergio semi bold, and we will change the background of this as well. Okay, and the font color I will make it as this. All right. So now whenever I'm clicking on any of this, so you can see the dashboard is changing with respect to that, because this particular slicer will be applied to each and every chart which is there in this. All right. When you try to click on this particular pie chart and it slices, so whenever I'm clicking on this particular slice, you can see the data is filtering, but you can see in this particular frequency chart what is happening, it is only highlighting. You here as well, whenever we see on these donut charts, it's only highlighting the that particular what we can say the value with respect to that particular slice, but it is not filtering out, right? So it is only highlighting. Whenever I'm clicking on this as well, you can see it is only highlighting here as well. Whenever I'm clicking on this particular bars, you can see it is highlighting the whatever the values which we are having in other charts. But what we want is we want to filter those out, right? So how to do that, right? So if we want to filter those out, then what we can do, so first we will click on this particular pie chart, we will go in format, and we will edit the interactions, right? So in these interactions you can see this is the option which is currently highlighted, that is highlight option, right? So this is active right now, this is active right now. So what we have to do, we have to make this as active, right? That is filter. So I will go ahead and click on filter. For this as well, I will click on filter. So this also I will just click on this each and every pie charts as well to filter it out. All right. And now when I'm clicking on this, you can see the values are now changing, right? You can see they are not filtering, but they are not highlighting, but they are filtering out. Similarly, what we will do, we will do same for this as well. Again, what we will do, we will just filter this out, we will filter this out as well, this filter, and just we will activate this option. All right. So now we can see again, whenever I'm clicking on this, they are filtering out. All right. So now you can see whenever I'm clicking on this particular part, just these options which are there, that has interactive options, how to deactivate them. So again, go in filter and unclick the edit interaction. So they will all vanish out and you can see a clean chart. All right. So whenever I'm clicking on this particular things as well, this is the data is again filtering out with respect to that. It is highlighting out, not filtering out. So I don't want to filter or highlight the data with respect to this chart. So what I have to do, again I will go in format. So I don't want anything to be highlighted. So what we can do, we can just say none, or we will block this. Okay, we don't want to filter anything. So we'll block all the options, right? So we want to block the KPIs as well. So we will block each and everything, and this as well, this as well, this we will block everything. All right. And again we will deactivate. So now you can see whenever I'm clicking on this, nothing is changing because we have deactivated the interactive filters for this. All right. So you can do the same for this chart as well, for this as well. The same procedure you can follow. You can deactivate all these things. We are only choosing the interactive filters for these two particular charts. All right. So this was all about this HR Analytics dashboard in Power BI, guys. If you have enjoyed this, if you have learned something, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you.